Hey, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope you're having a powerful month. As you're hopping on, don't be a stranger. Tell me where you're coming in from and how your month's been. I'd love to know how everyone's going. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum, and I actually am a coach to the online space. I help women over 40 to be able to build their businesses, to be able to scale their business and retain their business. I'm a business mentor, a strategist, and an accountability coach. I love what I do. At the same time, I'm also building my online business, and I love that as well. I have a global team that's amazing, and I love them so much. And I want to talk to you today about something that's really important to me, and that is understanding that what got you here is not going to get you there. I did a podcast episode today. It was pretty powerful, and I thought I'd share this online as well so that people understand that in order for you to go to the next level, you need to accept that where you are right now is exactly where you are meant to be. The resources that you have available to you right now, the person that you are right now, the version that you are right now, the team that you have around you right now, the information that you have at hand right now has gotten you so far. And in order for you to be able to achieve the next rank, move into the next income bracket, get that promotion at work, to be able to live that next level life that you're looking for, there needs to be an awareness of certain things in order for you to start moving in that direction. Because just merely doing the activity is not enough. You need to work this hand in hand with some inner work and self-awareness that's going to help escalate and accelerate this, right? So let's get started. Grab a pen and paper so that way I can share with you what I've experienced myself, right? So number one, you need to be prepared for growth and expansion. And I'm not just talking about growth in your business and expansion of your team or anything to that effect. That's just a byproduct of what's actually happening. The growth and expansion happens within. And most of the time, people set goals, but fail to recognize that they need to do the work to be able to get there. And it's not just the activity that makes them the income, it's actually the inner work. Because one thing you need to understand is that you need to evolve into that next level version. You need to become that version before the results materialize. And so you need to be prepared to, one, expect some growing pains, expect some things to not quite go right because there's going to be some growth and learnings there. And you also have to expect that there's current systems and processes that may not necessarily be able to go to that next level with you. That some of the stuff you need to let go of or peel the layer back or really assess the associations that you have right now because they are not in alignment with where you want to go. You see, when people set business plans or targets, goals, they do the numbers, they set the activity, but they don't set the plan for the growth and the expansion. And I know that the best way for you to learn is to fail forward. But what if you actually decided that you're already going to start working on your growth because you're so self-aware and you understand that there's some things that you need to work on right now. And so I invite you that if you actually want to go to the next level, start looking at the areas that you know need a little bit of work. Is it limiting beliefs? Is it self-confidence? Is it, you get attached to the results? Is it because you need to be validated and be seen? I mean, these are all things I've experienced myself and have had to work on. And so in order for you to move forward and start moving towards that next level, this work has to happen. And you need to, the sooner that you start, the more available the information that you need in terms of the inner work that comes forward. So be prepared for growth and expansion in terms of people presenting, resources, new information, and an awareness of what's not working, right? And that could be like habits, thoughts, processes, people, right? So growth and expansion is absolutely necessary as part of your journey to the next level. Number 2, you need to let go. Letting go of old habits or negative habits that are not in alignment with who you want to become. Letting go of practices or skill sets or things like that that you don't need or no longer need in order for where you want to go. Letting go of behaviors that are not in alignment with who you want to become. Letting go of associations or people, resources. And that doesn't mean you let go. Sometimes they exit themselves out naturally. Sometimes God, universe, spirit has a way of maneuvering things for you to make way for the next level. Because, you know, I do believe that what got you here didn't get you there, but I also believe that certain people, if they're not in alignment with who you want to become, if you are ready, if you are going in the right direction, they will naturally exit out. They will make themselves known. And while sometimes this is painful, it's necessary as part of your evolution. So just bless and release, accept that all of these things, resources, behaviors, habits, people, associations, companies, have gotten you so far that they're no longer going to help you to elevate to that next level. And you need to build on where you are right now. And what happens is when you open yourself up by letting go of that stuff, you are literally inviting the new resources, people, knowledge, information to help you elevate. So that's number 2, let go. Number 3 is adopting your new identity. When people want to achieve a certain level, stage presence, new income level, new rank, one thing that they really, really find challenging is accepting that they are that person already. Oftentimes, people come to me in my coaching space and they really find it uncomfortable when I tell them that they are already a professional network marketer, that they are already an online business owner, that they already have a business, that they are this online marketer that they believe that they need to become. They're already that person. And because they haven't accepted that, it's really challenging for them to behave that way. It's really challenging for them to start adopting the principles, the thought processes, the activity, the skill sets of that person that they desperately want to become. They're already that person. So once you accept that that is already who you are, then it's a lot easier for you to start behaving as if. It's a lot easier for you to start adopting the behaviors, the principles, the skill sets, and being prepared to step forward every day, being prepared to show up despite, being prepared to just do the work because you know that is who you are. You know that that is who you're becoming. So understand that accepting your identity, accepting that this is who you are already, is an absolute necessity as part of your evolution. I'm not saying it's easy, but I really want you to start believing on it. And one of the ways is through affirming that you're there already, affirming that you are that person, affirming that you are the CEO of your business, affirming that you are the business owner. And that's going to help you to start building confidence around that, building acceptance, and it's not going to sound so foreign anymore. So I hope this has given you value. Just to quickly sum up, you know, growth and expansion, absolutely necessary. Number 2, letting go of things that are not in alignment with where you want to go. And number 3, adopting your new identity, accepting it, that you are already there. So if you want to do more work with me, please feel free to hop on the link below and click through and send through your inquiry and express your interest, what exactly you want me to help you with. And let's have a conversation about how I could possibly help you to elevate to the next level. I am super excited and I cannot wait to see you shine and see you on the stage sharing your story too. Take care and I'll see you next week.